The top trader on Alertsify is up over $200,000 this year based on broker-verified trades. And right now, more than 640 subscribers are automatically copying his trades in their own accounts. Meanwhile, most retail traders are still trying to manually copy Discord alerts. And when those alerts involve fast-moving trades, speed matters. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how Alertsify works, how the leaderboard tracks real performance, and whether this platform actually solves the execution problems most traders struggle with. Let's get right into it. Most people lose money when trading because they panic, overtrade, revenge trade, or hesitate when markets start moving fast. And when you're trading options, being late by even a few seconds can completely change the outcome of a trade. That's the core idea behind Alertsify. Instead of trying to manually follow Discord alerts all day, the platform lets you automatically copy professional traders who already have verified track records. Here's how the platform actually works. First, you connect your brokerage account. Then, you choose which traders you want to follow based on their statistics, performance, risk profile, and trading style. Once you're connected, trades execute automatically inside your account based on the settings you choose. That means you still control your risk, your capital, and exactly how much exposure you're comfortable taking. But instead of constantly watching charts or jumping between Discord channels and worrying about missing the next trade, the execution happens automatically in the background. The result? Less screen time, less emotional decision-making, and the ability to participate in strategies you believe in, without needing to monitor the market every minute of the day. And this is where the platform gets interesting. The leaderboard on Alertsify isn't based on screenshots or self-reported wins from social media. The statistics are pulled directly from broker-connected accounts. You can see win rates, historical profit and loss, trade history, subscriber count, and overall performance metrics before deciding who you actually want to follow. This level of transparency is what separates Alertsify from trading communities online, because most Discord traders can claim profitability, but very few can actually verify it. Now, let's talk about pricing. Alertsify currently offers two tiers. The first is Lite, which starts at $99 per month with a free 7-day trial. Lite gives you access to the platform, trader statistics, analytics, and the ability to follow traders and approve trades as they come through. For some people, that's all they want, but the feature most users are interested in is automatic execution, and that's where the Pro plan comes in. With Pro, trades will execute automatically, so instead of approving every trade manually, the platform will handle the execution for you. Pro includes a one-time fee plus a locked-in monthly subscription at $99 per month, and according to Alertsify, that monthly price is grandfathered for life. So if your goal is full automation, Pro is the plan designed for that. That said, there are a few things worth keeping in mind before signing up. First, copy trading doesn't eliminate risk. You're still participating in the market, and even the best traders will have losing trades, losing weeks, and sometimes losing months. Second, past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Just because a trader has had an incredible year doesn't mean every future trade will be profitable. And finally, you still need to do your own research. One of the biggest advantages of Alertsify is transparency. You can see the statistics, the trade history, the performance data, and the risk profile of each trader before making a decision. But ultimately, you're still responsible for deciding who you follow, how much capital you allocate, and how much risk you're comfortable taking. So, I wouldn't view Alertsify as a shortcut to profits. I'd view it as a tool, one that gives you access to verified traders, better data, and faster execution, while still allowing you to stay in control of your own account. Now, this probably isn't for everyone. If you're looking for a magic button or some guaranteed way to get rich quickly, this isn't that. At the end of the day, you're still putting real capital at risk, and no trader has a 100% win rate. But if you're someone who already follows the markets, wants access to verified traders, and likes the idea of removing some of the emotional decision-making from execution, especially if you work full-time, can't watch the market all day, miss entries because life gets in the way, or simply want a more systematic approach to participating in the market. Because the real value here isn't chasing shortcuts. It's being able to participate in the market with more confidence, more consistency, and far less time spent staring at screens every single day. Overall, I think the biggest strength of Alertsify is transparency. Most trading communities online rely on screenshots, marketing claims, and self-reported results. Alertsify takes a different approach. You're able to evaluate traders using broker-verified performance data before making any decision. And whether you ultimately decide to copy a trader or not, that's a huge improvement over how most trading communities operate today. What surprised me most is how much information is available before you ever risk a dollar. You can review the statistics, analyze the trade history, evaluate the risk profile, and make your own decision based on actual data. And if automatic execution is something you've been looking for, Alertsify is definitely one of the more interesting platforms I've come across. If you're curious whether automated copy trading could fit the way you trade, there's a free 7-day trial that lets you take a look around the platform and decide for yourself whether Alertsify is something you'd want working alongside your own strategy. The link is in the description below. See you guys in the next video. Peace.